to last me an entire week. I'm going to get some sleep. We don't have to be like them. I mean, we have a different kind of... I know I am.
As for the lovebirds...
Maybe you just don't see it yet.
I have to.
This way!
Come here, you. Ooh. Besides, it's just until he brings her back.
What are you gonna do about it?
Probably something stupid.
That's the Hiccup I know.
Chief and Chief Dash!